Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're a hot sleeper, I'm going to give you the secret to a really good night's sleep. Having the right kind of sheets makes all the difference for me. I've never had linen sheets before, and so when I got this set from Simple and Opulence, I wasn't really sure how much I would like them, how I would feel about them. Not only are they beautiful and high quality, but I sleep so well with them. Now, I'm someone who is super picky about the kind of sheets that I sleep on. They have to be the right texture, they have to lay the right way, and of course, they have to keep me cool, and these are better than any other that I have ever used. I got the light gray color, although Simple and Opulence has other colors to choose from. I love the attention to detail with the handmade hem stitch on both the top sheet and the pillows. We have a queen size mattress that's 13 inches deep, and this fitted sheet accommodates that really well. In fact, it can accommodate up to 16 inches. Now, I was impressed because we have an adjustable bed, and normally a fitted bed sheet is just going to pop off. But even when I moved it up and down, it stayed right in place, and that made me super happy because that means less work for me. These sheets are so beautiful and they feel amazing on your skin. Take it from me for being super picky about my sheets. These are awesome. And that's my point of view.